Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, I found some awesome Christmas cards at the Dollar Tree. Sounds like it's time for a Christmas card makeover to me. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for choosing to be here. We are in one of the busiest times of the year, and one of my goals with my channel is to respect your time and to never make my videos any longer than they really need to be, because I know that you have other things you need to do, especially right now. So today we're going to do a very quick greeting card craft. Y'all know that I love crafting with greeting cards, and when I find some as cute as these, I really can't wait to share them with you. So I'm going to flip to my overhead camera, give you a closer look at the cards, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. So here's a closer look at the cards that I found at the Dollar Tree. There were 4 patterns in the cards, and I think that they are just so stinking cute, and they really are a very good quality. The quality of paper used to make these cards is the same as a card you would go in the store and pay $5 or $6 for. These really are nice quality cards. This one says Merry Christmas. This one says Joy to the World. Try not to get that sheen on there. Y'all, look at how gorgeous that is. It even has the gold foiling on the inside. This one says Gnome for the Holidays. This is the one that we're going to be working with today. It has Merry Christmas red foiled on the inside. And this one says Christmas Wishes, and it is a double-decker bus. Hope a very happy holiday is headed your way. So you can see that these cards are nice, high quality 5x7 cards. I believe that I paid $1.25 for these, and you get 12 in the pack with the envelopes. So I'm going to set these to the side because, like I said, this is the card that we're going to work with. And y'all, I'm going to keep this as simple as I possibly can. Grab some tape and some stickers and embellishments, and let's do it. So on the inside, this says Merry Christmas. We'll be using 2 of the envelopes, one to hold the card and then one to do what I'm about to do. So take your envelope, go ahead and just fold it in half. And then we're going to take this and we're going to place it right here with some tape. So I am just going to add tape to the back like this. And I'm going to take this and put it right here. So basically, y'all, what we're doing is we're taking a pre-made card and we're just dressing it up. We've taken these cards and we've made boxes, we've made books. We might even do that. But today we're going to take this card and we're going to make it a true all-in-one Christmas card / gift. And so now, y'all, I have a whole bunch of different things that we can use. I have some cut-aparts, some white mats for background, and then I have some ephemera that we're going to use on this project. But it's completely up to you how you want to do it. But here's my plan. My plan is to have this open, and on the inside you can tuck pieces of ephemera, you can tuck cash, and you can tuck greeting cards. Then you can close like this. So I'm just going to take these out. Then I'm just going to take a couple of pieces of ephemera and we're going to mount these. So my ephemera pieces are 3 by 4 and my white mat is 3 1/4 by 4 1/4. So I am just going to take this and we're going to mount that there. And what I'm going to do with it is I'm going to take it and put it right there. So I am just going to add some tape right there. We'll take this piece and we'll place it right there. So you can see how this is already starting to come together. And y'all, we're not doing a whole bunch. We're just making it very simple. And then over here, I think I'm just going to take this little snowman, Put them right there. And then happy holidays right there. So I am going to take a little bit of my tape, place my tape right there, and put that there. Then I'll add some tape to happy holidays. And we'll put happy holidays right there. And when I open it, I think I want to place something in here just to add a little festive touch. And so I'm going to take the Season's Greetings and put it right there. It will be folded, but that's okay because I like how that fills in the top with Season's Greetings. And then I think I'm going to take 2 pieces of my cut aparts and just place them in on the back side like this, just to fill that in a little bit. So I'm going to take the one that says Holiday Kisses and Reindeer Wishes, because I don't know if I would ever use that. Probably, but it's not one that I really want to use right now. So I'm going to take that and just use it as cover on the inside to make that a little bit cuter. Then I'm going to take the one that says Let It Snow, add some tape to the back of it. And we're going to place that in like that. And so now when we close it and we fold it, I am going to crease that piece of ephemera that I put on the inside, getting that nice and stuck. And so this is our card. I want to place something right here on the front of this. So I think I'm going to go with May Your Holiday Be Filled with Joy. Just add some tape because that's all we're using. And I'm going to take this and we're going to put it right there. And then here on the front, I'm just going to add this little piece of ephemera to just add something to the front. I was going to leave it alone, but I can't. So let's put that right there. And then on the back side, it already says Merry Christmas, so I'll leave that alone. And so y'all, there we have it. If you have some grandchildren, nieces, nephews, or anyone that you might want to give some cash or a card to, this is a great way to do it. Go ahead and just buy a whole pack of Christmas cards and use the envelopes as part of the cards. So you might have to buy some extra 5x7 envelopes, but me personally, I think it's well worth it because this is such a nice way of giving a plain old Dollar Tree card. So 12 cards in the pack for $1.25. So it cost me almost 11 cents for the card that I used. 11 cents. Y'all, where can you go and buy a card like this for 11 cents? And then we used some very simple embellishments to dress this and make it more than it is. Now we have a way of gifting cash or cards in a very upscale way. My estimation on how much it cost me to make this, I made this card, even the small amount of tape that I used, for about 30 cents. I promise you, I even challenge you to go to the store and find anything comparable to this for 30 cents or less. It's not going to happen, and it's custom. So go ahead and grab those greeting cards, Christmas cards, whatever the occasion, and turn them into something like this for pennies. Y'all, this is a gift. So just put your little something on the inside, seal that envelope, and you are ready to go at the holiday event that you're going to, or the event of any type that you're going to. So I hope that you have enjoyed this quick and easy way that we can take a Dollar Tree pack of Christmas cards, some ephemera, and some tape, and turn these into so much more. If you have enjoyed this video, and I certainly hope that you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.